channel. Today I decided to film my Valentine's Day makeup look. If you want to see how to create this makeup look, then keep on watching. And I have to say that all the products that I used are really cheap and drugstore affordable. It's really easy to recreate this look. All of the products that I'm going to use are in the description box. So let's get right into the video. Guys, I just did one eye and this is how it looks. Actually, this is not like the final result, how my eye will look. Okay, so first I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 eyeshadow palette. This is definitely my favorite palette right now. I'm going to take my blending E40 and I'm going to be taking this brush right here, this eyeshadow right here, and I'm just going to apply it in my crease and I'm going to blend it really nicely. I'm going to take this E25 and I'm going to take this brush, which is like, actually this eyeshadow, which is like fire red, and I'm kind of going to apply it in my crease as well, but I'm going to lift my crease just a little bit, and as well I'm going to blend it. Then I'm taking E40 with no product on it and I'm just making sure that everything is blended really nicely. Then E25 with the same red eyeshadow. I'm just going to go back again. I wanted to make this tutorial because I didn't film a New Year's tutorial and I kind of wanted this one to be kind of more extreme, special for those of you who want to be like, who want to impress your boyfriend, and with this makeup look you will definitely impress them. I'm taking this cut crease E62. All brushes that I'm using are from Sigma. I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow, just a little bit, and I'm kind of going to draw my cut crease where I want it to be, like somewhere here. I'm barely using any product here. And then with this E25, I'm just going to take a little bit of that red eyeshadow and put it right above this brown eyeshadow. Oh my god! Now this is really interesting part because I discovered this really like one video ago. You can wet your brush just with some baby wipe, makeup remover wipe, and you can apply your eyeshadow and it will look fine. So I'm going to take this kind of shimmery, really interesting eyeshadow and I'm just going to apply it on my lids. I'm applying it as my base for my glitters. So now I'm using NYX Glitter Primer. I'm going to use the same brush that I used for my lid color, and I'm just going to apply this primer kind of little amount on my brush and then all over my lid where I applied this shimmery eyeshadow. And then I'm going to take my glitter, dip my brush, kinda tap off the excess, and then I'm going to pack this on my eyes. So you really need waste your time for this, but on my left eye, I kind of wanted it not to be as packed, but on this eye, I'm going to fix everything. I'm going to take the red eyeshadow that I used on my crease and I'm going to apply it under my lower lash line. Really smoke it out, you know. And with this cut crease brush, I'm going to take just a little bit of brown eyeshadow and I'm going to fix my crease. So now I'm going to apply my eyeliner. This is my gel eyeliner from NYX. They say that it's waterproof. I believe them, and I'm going to make like really nice line, really like long and nice line. Okay. Yes, that's good. And it's going to be a little bit harder because you kind of have to paint all over the glitters. So guys, now I'm quickly going to fix this eye because I really don't like it, and we're going to come back because I want to show you what I'm going to do with the rest of my beautiful Valentine's Day look. I glued my eyelashes because I wanted to, you know, and that's kind of what I'm going to do with my eyes. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to smoke my lower lash line. First of all, from Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take that red eyeshadow and I'm really going to smoke it. Now I'm going to take my favorite waterproof eye pencil. My mirror just broke. And I'm just going to apply it in my waterline. Then I just took a little bit of black eyeshadow on my eye pencil brush. And I'm going to smoke this really nicely. I really love that smoked eye look. And now in the end, I'm going to apply mascara on my upper and lower lashes. And for my eyes, that's pretty much it. And now in the end, for my eyes, first I'm going to use this Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in the shade maybe Deeply Intoxicated. Every product that I'm using is going to be listed in the description box down below. So I'm just going to overline my lips. And then I'm taking an NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen. I'm going to apply one layer because I don't want it to be really dark. In the end, I'm going to put a little bit of clear gloss on top of these lips. This is actually clear gloss from Essence that's stained. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you like this makeup look. It's really different for me because I kinda always do neutral lips, neutral eyes, but this is like wow. And yeah guys, I really love you. Don't forget to And yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video if you want to see more makeup tutorials by me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!